Hey, welcome to the SideHustlr channel. Do you want to become a millionaire? Oh, how crazy that question is. Of course you want to, but you think it's impossible. That's because you're focusing on traditional money-making ways. You complete your degree and then look for a job and spend your whole life working for the same company. Don't waste your life. You have to be wise to earn the money you need to fulfill your every dream. You don't have to work hard outside on hot and cold days. Just sit on your comfortable bed and begin earning today. I'd recommend you the best platform to choose from. As it was mentioned on the thumbnail, it's Fiverr. This platform has over 3 million active buyers. How amazing is that? Every buyer can easily access you. If only 100 people purchase your service and place an order for $5 daily, you'll make $15,000 a month. Now is the time to create your gigs and begin working. I'll share the top 5 gigs that don't require any complicated skills. Anyone can consider them. Enjoy, stay tuned, and follow along with me to become an expert in no time. Before we get started, subscribe to the channel and set the notification bell to learn other ways to make money online. Number 5. Website development and design. Starting with number 5, we have website development and design. Starting this business is an ideal opportunity as the industry is snowballing, and it's the perfect time to create a successful brand. The competition is high, but once you become an expert in this field, you'll make money even as you sleep. Don't worry if you think coding is horrible. Many tools offer you the easiest ways to build a responsive website. No coding is required. There are many tools, but I'd suggest you choose those available at Wix. This product offers powerful tools to help you create websites without advanced technical knowledge. Web development and web design can be seen as different services. Still, you can also serve both in a single package. Start your business now, and once you receive many orders, you can hire others to help you. Number 4. Graphic design. At number 4, we have graphic design. If you want an entertaining job, this field has the best opportunities. You'll find every day unique and exciting. The process is fun, from brainstorming new ideas to presenting them to eager clients. This field also promises a bright future, as many opportunities exist to make money. Many companies worldwide come to Fiverr to get this service. They need logos, brand guidelines, and many other visuals to support their existence. You can take online classes to learn graphic design. Your every order will push you to learn new things to add to the list of your experiences. Number 3. Digital marketing. Sitting at number 3 is digital marketing, and it is exploding. Facebook claimed that 10 million active advertisers were using their platform to promote their services. Let's increase the number by taking a practical step toward this digital world. Many YouTube videos are ready to support you on this journey, and we will have some available soon. Most buyers hire freelancers for Facebook ads, YouTube ads, video marketing, influencer marketing, and creating and managing entire sales and marketing funnels. You can also start your SEO business that helps brands rank their websites. Whether you want to become a digital marketer or not, you should have a basic knowledge of this field. Otherwise, you may find it challenging to fulfill your dream of becoming a millionaire. I'd rather say you must have a basic understanding of this digital world to have an easy existence there. Whether a website developer or graphic designer, you'll feel comfortable with your service if you know essential digital marketing skills. You may think it's an ordinary suggestion, but my point is extraordinary. Tell me in the comments if you have understood it. Number 2. Content writing. A content writer loves to interfere in every matter. Sounds awkward? It is, but it was just a way to introduce the number 2 slot. I wanted to tell you about the high demand for content writing. It's required everywhere, whether in the digital or physical world. Every brand needs a content writer to showcase its services in the best way possible. The most exciting thing is that you could start this business now. Just take your computer and begin writing. You can learn more about writing skills on the internet, but that's not essential. The more you write, the better you will get. There's high competition on Fiverr as freelancers want to make money through easy ways, but you can secure your future by finding 3 to 4 permanent buyers. Companies require content regularly compared to other services like website development, logo designing, etc. You may get small orders initially, as most sellers pay $5 for up to 500-word content, but you can increase your amounts after heightening your level of writing. Top brands will be ready to pay hundreds of dollars for 500-word content, as the only thing that matters in front of them is quality. If you think writing so many words is challenging, become a proofreader. You'll have to make a few edits and make a lot of money. In another video, we will showcase some tools to help you write content or proofread using AI. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to get notified when they're available. Number 1. Virtual Assistant. Now for number 1. Do you like different cultures, communication styles, and work environments? Becoming a virtual assistant might be up your alley. You'll offer administrative support to businesses where your clients can come from around the world. But you must remember some essential things to get in order. First, your gig should prove your authenticity. Companies will need to consider you as being reliable to assign their valuable tasks to you. Second, set low prices. It'll help you attract more clients. You can begin to increase your rates when you get good reviews and as you gain a higher status. The last thing is to focus on your communication skills. Good communication skills can take your business to the next level, while unacceptable skills can ruin your career. Suppose any client tells people in a review that you have lousy communication skills. In that case, the chances of getting more jobs will be less likely. That is your list of the top 5 gigs on Fiverr to make money online. Be confident and choose the best field for you. Things take time, but you can do it. I have also created a video to help you make money on Upwork. Check out that and explore more ideas. The secret way to success is never to stop learning. Please like this video and share it with someone else if you found it helpful. And again, please subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out on our other videos to help you create the life you want by making money online.